Top 3 Best PSUs for Gaming High-End RGB Light. Number 3, Thermaltake Smart Pro RGB 650W, the best PSU with RGB. The Thermaltake Smart Pro RGB 650W PSU is one of the best in its class when it comes to additional custom lighting. Alongside the impressive aesthetics, you are still getting a reliable power supply that can adequately manage power for mid to high-end gaming PCs. The Thermaltake Smart Pro PSU here would be great for any mid-range build thanks to its 650W capacity. This will probably be more wattage than needed for most in the mid-range category, but it does give you a bit of headroom should you choose to upgrade later down the line. This model features 80+ bronze certification, so isn't as efficient as the more premium options above, but it still holds up as a well-priced alternative. This PSU achieves ETAS efficiency and lambda-S plus noise levels according to cybernetics. The RGB fan with this PSU isn't just a pretty face, it also comes with 0 RPM fan options, helping you keep those noise levels down as much as possible, with quality capacitors, different lighting options, and more than adequate efficiency levels. You are getting a high-quality PSU for a very affordable price. This RGB PSU is the perfect way to add a bit of flair to your next budget build, with plenty of headroom for future upgrades down the line. Pros: reliable and efficient PSU, fully modular, RGB fan with semi-passive operation, 7-year warranty. Cons: aggressive fan profile, single EPS connector. Coming in number 2, Seasonic Prime TX1000. Best PSU for high-end builds. While the Seasonic Prime TX series offers some of the best power supplies on the market, their hefty price and large wattage make them less ideal for hardcore games, meaning this misses out on the top spot but is easily one of the best high-end PSUs out there. This Seasonic Prime TX PSU features a 1000W capacity and is going to be overkill for most high-end systems. That being said, for those that require 800+ wattage, this makes a lot of sense thanks to its incredible titanium level efficiency, low temperatures at full power, and near-silent operation. The Prime TX series features PSU models from 600W all the way up to the 1000W model we have here and achieved ETAA plus efficiency and lambda-A++ noise levels on cybernetics. What is most impressive from this PSU is its silent operation, with it managing under 15 dBA overall. It owes this silent operation from its sheer efficiency that is backed up by the hybrid fan control. This TX1000 is fully modular, limiting clutter in your case and generally making your life a bit easier when it comes to powering your system. Included, we see 2 EPS connectors for higher powered systems and 2 SATA 3.3 supporting connectors too. Pros: silent operation, incredible efficiency, fully modular, 12-year warranty. Cons: price. Coming in number 1, Corsair RM750X, the best PSU for gaming. Our selection for the best PSU for gaming is from Corsair's highly regarded RMX series, the RM750X PSU. This version comes with a few improvements on its previous iteration, which include a more compact form factor and a quieter fan profile. The Corsair RM750X, as you can probably tell, is a 750W version and comes with more than enough power for high-end builds. This PSU achieves 80+ gold and ETAA efficiency, with cybernetics also rating this as lambda-A+ certification. The RM750X sports a max noise output of around 15 dBA, making it a viable PSU for silent-focused builds, as long as you work out the correct power ratio and take advantage of the 0 RPM fan mode. The RM750X PSU is fully modular and comes with 2 EPS connectors and 4 PCIe connectors. Full modularity isn't a massive selling point, but it can make the overall building process a bit easier and stops you from having to cable manage and used cables that you can often get with non-modular. Regardless of whether you want extra power for a silent gaming PC or adequate power for a top-of-the-line gaming rig, the Corsair RM750X should see you through. Pros: very quiet while under load, excellent build quality, fully modular, smaller than predecessor, 10-year warranty. Cons: short distance between peripheral connectors.